I'll come get you later, all right?
Are you sure? I don't want to trouble you.
No trouble at all. I'll be in the area anyway.
All right, thanks. What time do you think you'll be here?
Maybe around 6 p.m. Does that work?
Yeah, that's perfect. Do you want me to wait outside?
Nah, no need. I'll text you when I'm close.
Sounds good. Do you need directions?
I think I remember where it is, but maybe send me the location just in case.
Will do. Are we heading straight to dinner after?
Yeah, I made a reservation for 7 p.m.
Great, I'm so excited. This place has amazing reviews.
Same here. I've been wanting to try it for months.
Do you know what you're going to order?
I've heard their pasta is fantastic.
I might go for their seafood. People say it's really fresh.
Good choice. Oh, and it's a bit dressy, right?
Yes, I'll dress up a bit. You too?
Definitely. I don't want to be the odd one out.
You'll look great, I'm sure.
Thanks. By the way, do you have any food allergies?
Nope, I'm pretty flexible. How about you?
None here either. Just don't put pineapple on my pizza.
Don't worry, I'm with you on that.
All right, so I'll see you around 6 then?
Yup, I'll be ready. Thanks again for picking me up.
Anytime, really. I enjoy spending time with you.
Same here, Jake. It's always fun hanging out with you.
Ah, that's nice to hear. Okay, see you later.
You like this one? Then take it.
Are you sure? I thought you wanted it.
Nah, I was just looking. You seem to really like it.
I do, but I don't want to take it from you.
Seriously, it's fine. I'm not as attached to it as you are.
Well, okay if you're really sure.
Totally sure. It looks better on you anyway.
Thanks. You're always so generous.
No problem. Besides, I already have too many of these.
I'll make sure to wear it often then.
You better. I don't want it to sit in your closet.
Trust me, I'll wear it all the time.
Good. It's nice when things actually get used.
Speaking of which, do you want anything here?
I might grab that blue one over there.
That's a great choice. I think it'll suit you perfectly.
Thanks. It's simple but kind of cool, right?
Totally. It's very much your style.
You think? I'm trying to update my look a bit.
You're doing great. That color will look awesome on you.
Thanks for the boost of confidence.
Anytime. Friends are here for that.
So true. I'm glad we did this shopping trip.
Me too. Shopping alone isn't nearly as fun.
Exactly, plus, I needed a second opinion.
And I'm always here to give my honest one.
Ha, that's what I count on.
Well, don't expect me to hold back if I don't like something.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
So, shall we check out?
Let's do it, and maybe grab some food after.
Perfect. I'll treat us to lattes.
Hey Sam, do you have a minute?
Yeah, of course. What's up?
Well, it's a bit awkward, but I wanted to talk about the money I lent you a few months ago.
Oh, right. I know I still owe you.
Yeah, I just wanted to check if you're able to pay any of it back now.
I've been meaning to, but things have been a bit tight lately.
I get that, life happens. But even a partial payment would really help.
How much are you hoping I could pay back for now?
Honestly, anything you can manage would be appreciated.
I might be able to give you half by the end of the month.
That would be great. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for being patient. I didn't mean to delay it this long.
I know you didn't. Just wanted to check in because I could use the funds right now.
I totally understand. I'll make sure to set it aside for you.
Thanks, it'll really help. I'm counting on you for this.
You can. I'm sorry it's taken me so long.
No worries, as long as we're on the same page.
Absolutely. And I'll do my best to get the rest to you soon after.
I appreciate that. Just let me know if anything changes.
For sure. I'll keep you posted on my progress.
Perfect, thanks again for working with me on this.
Of course. I owe you that, at least.
Alright, I feel a lot better now that we talked.
Me too. I don't like owing people, you know?
I know, and I'm glad we could talk about it openly.
Definitely. Thanks for understanding.
Anytime. We're friends, and I just wanted to clear the air.
Exactly. So, half at the end of the month, and the rest after that.
Sounds good. Thanks for working with me.
I really do appreciate how patient you've been about all of this. I know not everyone would have been so understanding.
It's okay. I know you didn't mean for it to drag on this long, and I trust that you're doing your best to settle things.
Absolutely, and I'll make sure this doesn't happen again in the future.
Thanks. That means a lot to me. I value our friendship more than the money.
Me too. I promise to make this right and keep everything on track from here on out. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.